This is how I've kept my hair healthy while using a blow dry brush. We all know that this shit can fry your hair off, but if you do it properly, that won't happen. First things first, make sure you clean your hair out of it so that the heat actually reaches your hair the first time and you won't have to go over the same section a billion times, which damages your hair. Second, make sure your hair is like 80% dry. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, this is a styling tool, not a drying tool. Third, if you think you don't need a heat protectant, you're wrong. Everyone needs one. Use either a heat protectant or a blow dry spray and brush it out so that it spreads out evenly. And then I always part my hair half up, half down, and I'm taking small sections that are like 2 inches wide and fairly thin and slowly working my way down. It's better to take your time with each section than going over the same one a billion times. That's going to damage your hair, so don't do that. I just want a straight blowout today, which is why I'm doing it this way. Also, make sure that your roots are dry. If not, they're going to dry puffy. So make sure that you take your time with your roots. Start from the very, very top of your head. See how much volume that gave me just by drying it? Second, when I do my crown sections, like on top of my head, I always pull upwards very slowly so that I have more volume when it falls down like that. Next, for my favorite part, we're going to do bangs. I have a whole video on this in my hair playlist if you want to see, but basically I part it in 2 horizontally. And then I'm doing that. And I'm going really, really slow, holding it up, taking my time because bangs are most important. And then we get this. I use this brush so like at least twice a week and my hair has been so healthy, so try it out.